Hello, myself Deepak, and welcome back to our session in which till now we have seen how to add, search, and delete records using Excel VBA form into a Excel sheet like this. Now, if you want any help on those topics, I have kept the links in the descriptions for your reference. Please have a look. In this, we'll see how to update a record. Now, one thing we have to remember, before updating a record we have to first search that record. Now that will be taken care here with the help of this search. In my search video I've already explained you about find methods and the arguments of find methods, like how many arguments are there, which argument is required, and which argument is used for which purpose. So if you want any help on this, please see my video in which I have explained all these things in detail. The link is in description. Now in this we will see update. Now of course what I have done, that if I enter any employee code here and I click on update without entering search, then I want to display a particular message. Fine. So for this what we have done in journal, basically I have declared one variable update button active as boolean type. Okay. And if you see my search code now, I have made one change in that, this line. In search video, this is commented. Now I have uncomment this line, this code. What we are doing, when I'm entering any employee code which is found, and this else part runs, and I all those records are displayed in this things, in this fields, like in this text box. At the same time, what I'm saying that this variable update button active should be becomes true now. Okay. And then in update I'm saying that if this update button active is true, then execute these code, else display a message, whatever message you want. Okay. Now consider that search was search button was clicked and the record was found, so this is true. Now if update button active is true, then what I'm saying that in update I have created one variable current row number. I'm saying that whatever value of the current row number should be whatever we have in row number of employee code. Now from where you will get the value of this row number of employee code, it will be from search. From here, say row number of employee code is equal to employee code dot row. Now because this variable have to be used in both, and the value should be whatever in search should be in update, what I have done, I have declared this variable also as a global. So you can see that dim row number of employee code as integer type. So I have declared this variable as also as global, so that I can use this variable in my search code also and in my update code also. And in update code, while I'm using this, the value can be considered from the search. That's why declared as a global variable. So now once search button was clicked and the record was found, so wherever the record was found, at that time I'm storing the row number in this variable and using for search also my. Okay. And then when I click on update, let me go back to update code. I'm storing also that value in this particular variable. Okay. Now say for example I'm updating row number employee code 5 whose row number is 6. So when I click on search, okay, when I put 5 here and click on search, so this becomes true, and the value of this row number of employee code should be 5. And after making the changes in the fields, okay, if I click on update, because now this update when activate is true, this code will be execute. Okay, now first what will happen, this current row number will be equal to this, and the value of row number of employee code is 5, so this will becomes, sorry, 6, so this becomes 6. Now what I'm saying sheet of employee details dot cell of 6 comma 2 dot value means this is my sheet employee details. I'm saying row 6 column 2, what should be the value here, what should be the value of this thing, whatever you have in employee name, whatever you have here. Okay, then similarly I'm saying that sheet of employee details cell 6 comma 3 value should be what, row number 6 column 3, the value of this should be what, whatever the value you have here in department name. Similarly for others till here. Okay, then I'm saying clear all the values from these fields, from these text boxes. Okay, and then I'm saying now update button active should be false. Fine, now let's take a run. If I click on update without clicking on search, I got this message because update button active is false. If I enter any record which is not present, like for example 6, of course search will take care of that. Then I present 5, for example I want to change the value, update the record 5, so I enter employee code 5, I click on search, the records is there, see all the records are same. Then I change the value here. Okay, now I click on update. Now as soon as I click on update, you see your record is updated. Okay, so I hope this clears to you. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Take care. Goodbye.